Managing machinery efficiently and safely with FrontCom Vario. This is Frank. As a machinery manager, it's his job to ensure smooth production at his plant. Oh no! The LED on the control cabinet is reporting a fault. Frank has to sit and wait until an electrician arrives to open the control cabinet and give him access to the controls. Before Frank can fix the problem, the battery runs out of power. This process wastes time and money. Enough is enough. Weidmüller has the one-stop solution. FrontCom Vario. Through the service interface, Frank has quick and safe access from outside to the electronics in the control cabinet on his own without having to call an electrician. Whether he wants to fix a fault or retrieve some data, Frank simply completes his work while the machinery is running. This boosts productivity and uptime. Frank conveniently designs his FrontCom Vario using the Weidmüller online configurator. Depending on his needs, he can freely choose either a single or double frame and select among various modules and inserts. He creates an interface perfectly tailored to his needs. All of that in just one frame with a functional, space-saving design. Frank can safely reach the inside of the control cabinet from outside. The interface is labeled with large, easy-to-read text, so he always finds the right port quickly. This way, FrontCom Vario reduces risks caused by errors in operation. Even better, thanks to the integrated power socket, Frank always has access to power. He also secures the interface with a lock, preventing unauthorized access. Frank is excited. Thanks to FrontCom Vario, extended waiting and idle periods are a thing of the past. He now manages and services machinery much more efficiently and cost-effectively. And he has Weidmüller at his side as a reliable, quality partner. It's fantastic in every respect. You too can enjoy the benefits of FrontCom Vario. Find more information here.